National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 46, effective until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Noble and Pawnee. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and then close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a flood warning for the Dardenne Creek at St. Peters from this evening to late Friday night. At 3 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 15.2 feet. Flood stage is 18.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. The creek will rise above flood stage by this evening and is forecast to crest near 22.0 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by early Friday. The National Weather Service in a tornado warning for northwestern Henry County in northwest Tennessee, Weakley County in northwest Tennessee, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado near Sharon, or near Martin, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Martin. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a storm shelter. If no storm shelter is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Tennessee: Henry and Weakley.
The current time is 6 p.m. Central Daylight.
Tornado Watch number 46 remains in effect until 10 p.m. and now includes the following county: Hopper County, Kansas. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, both in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Tornado Watch number. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Osage County in northeast Oklahoma until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Elgin and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. The storm will otherwise remain over many rural areas of the indicated county. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although one is not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
The current...
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kingman County until 7:45 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Zeta, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. You can expect 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Kingman, Rago, Cleveland, Kingman Airport, Murdoch, and Mount Vernon. Tornado watch number. The National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Chautauqua County, southeastern County, and south central Kansas until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Granola and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Cedarville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Tornado watch number 46. The National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Chautauqua County until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Elgin and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs. Locations impacted include Sedan, Chautauqua, Peru, and Hale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Tornado. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Reno County until 8 p.m. At 7:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Prairie Prairie, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. You can expect quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Hutchinson, Prairie Prairie, Arlington, Partridge, Haven, South Hutchinson, Yoder, Willowbrook, and Hutchinson Airport. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for southeastern. The National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Chautauqua County, eastern Elk County until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Elk Falls and moving north at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include outfalls in Longton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A severe thunder... The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Sumner County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Conway Springs, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. You can expect 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Wellington, Belle Plaine, Oxford, Mayfield, Wellington Airport, and Riverdale. This includes the Kansas Turnpike between mile markers 18 and 33. Tornado watch number 46. The National Weather Service in Paducah, Kentucky has issued a flood warning for the Skillet Fork River at Wayne City from late Thursday night to Sunday evening. At 8 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 5.7 feet. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. The river is forecast to rise above flood stage by Friday morning and crest near 19.5 feet by early Saturday morning. The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Dickinson County and central Kansas, Gary County, until 9:45 p.m. At 9 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Enterprise and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Another severe storm was immediately following behind it, also moving northeast. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by trained spotters. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Junction City, Enterprise, Chapman, and Grandview Plaza. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 278 and 313. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a white oak structure. Stay away from windows.